KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush. Why flush your car engine? Harmful deposits and sludge accumulated in engine, causing power and performance loss. A flush cleans the accumulated deposits, sludge and other gunk from your engine. A good flush restores engine performance. Current range of branded engine flush is toxic volatile solvent. This is harmful to lung and eyes. Carcinogenic, which is cancer-causing, strong solvent and harmful to skin. Mostly flammable. Introducing KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush. Restore engine performance with deep cleansing ability. Protects engine better than lubricant. An environmental eco-friendly solution. 100% formulated from natural plants esters. Non-toxic, non-volatile, not flammable and non-corrosive and qualified with REACH compliance. A cleaning ability test was conducted. Fresh engine oil was added into car and run for 2 days. The engine oil was then drawn and dripped onto paper. Test was then repeated, but this time fresh engine oil then added with KM Plus Engine Flush. Car then ran for 2 days before the engine oil was drawn and dripped onto paper. Test results prove that KM Plus Flush has following cleaning features. Non-solvent based detergent to dissolve plus remove oil sludge and gunk with detergent methods. Disperse oil sludge from oil sum and engine corners. Clear out deposits to open narrow oil passages clogged by gunk. Release deposits and allow the oil to flow freely. Clean the crankcase to enhance the life of the fresh engine oil. Non-volatile and non-corrosive nature of KM Plus enables it to be added into engine for pressure cleaning when engine is rev up. In summary, the test proved that KM Plus Flush can effectively clean your car engine. KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush has lubrication that exceeds even normal high-quality lubricant. KM Plus add lubrication to engine while cleaning the engine. This saves wear and tear on the engine. KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush is the only engine flush that add lubrication and protection to your engine while cleaning. A seal abrasivity test was done with various types of seal makes. A set of the various seals makes were soaked in lubricant as standard. And a similar set of seals makes were soaked in same type of lubricant but added with KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush. After soaking for more than 2 years, it was observed there were no weight gain, no visible abrasion nor change of physical property in the seals compared to the standard. Proven KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush is seal safe. Advantages of KM Plus Advanced Engine Flush over other flush. For customer, KM Plus cleans engine better than other flush. It lubricates engine while cleaning. KM Plus protects engine while cleaning. For mechanic, it is non-volatile, doesn't harm eyes or lungs. It is non-corrosive, does not hurt skin. And it is safe for environment.